Dodge Hyperbike. Alright, let's break down what makes the Dodge Hyperbike Stealth Edition a straight-up monster on two wheels. This thing isn't just designed to look mean. It's built from the ground up to perform like nothing else on the road. Every inch of it screams precision, speed, and purpose, design and aesthetics. The first thing that grabs you is that body, all muscle and motion. The Hyperbike's carved out of aerospace-grade carbon titanium, the same type of composite you find on high-end jets and race-spec hypercars. It's light but ridiculously strong. We're talking a frame that can handle high G turns without flexing even a hair. The engineers didn't cut corners. They sliced them with a laser. Every curve and edge on this bike has a job to do. The lines aren't just for looks, they're for airflow. From the front cowl to the tail, the body channels wind like a sculpted wing. The design's based on aerolaminar flow, meaning air hugs the frame instead of fighting it. Less drag, more speed, better cooling. Simple physics done smart. And then there's that matte black finish, not glossy, not shiny. It's that deep, stealthy black that eats light. It's got that fighter jet DNA. Clean, intimidating, and built to vanish in the dark. The black isn't just paint either. It's a heat-resistant nano coating that disperses temperature evenly across the body, keeping the core cooler during long runs. Up front, the Hyperbike's got adaptive LED vision strips hidden in the shroud. These aren't your regular headlights. They're a full-blown smart lighting system. Sensors in the nose read the terrain, weather, and ambient light in real time, shifting brightness and beam angle automatically. Freeways rain heavy shadow. The bike adjusts instantly, giving you the best view without blinding oncoming traffic. Every detail's functional, from the vented fairings that suck air through the engine bay to the side fins that balance downforce at high speeds. Even the mirrors are designed with integrated signal LEDs, giving the bike a clean, uncluttered profile. You won't find any wasted space or gimmicks, just pure aggressive engineering. Power and performance pop the panels, and this is where the real magic lives. The V-Fusion hybrid power core is the heart of the Hyperbike, a wild combo of electric torque and precision combustion tech. It's not just electric assist. It's a true hybrid drive, tuned to work in sync instead of in turns. On one side, you've got a high-output electric motor delivering instant torque, the kind that hits you right in the chest when you twist the throttle. On the other, there's a precision combustion engine, designed with a lightweight titanium crankshaft and ceramic-lined cylinders for max efficiency and heat control. When the two systems fire together, they drop over 450 horsepower straight to the wheel. Acceleration? 0 to 100 in under 2.8 seconds. That's supercar territory, but with the kind of control that makes it feel effortless. You don't just launch forward, you teleport. The power delivery's handled by an AI torque management system, which constantly adjusts how much juice comes from each motor. No lag, no loss, no drama. Just perfect balanced thrust. The exhaust setup is straight genius. The twin-turbine cooling system doesn't just blow hot air out. It converts that thermal energy into extra forward thrust. So basically even the heat gets recycled into speed. Those blue energy pulses you see near the tail? That's waste heat being repurposed by micro-turbine generators. The more you ride, the more efficient it gets. And the sound, man, it's got this deep, clean growl. Not too loud, not obnoxious. Just enough to make people turn their heads when you fly by. It's the kind of sound that says, yeah, I'm built different. Handling and dynamics now, power's one thing. Control is another. And the Dodge Hyperbike Stealth Edition handles like it's wired into your nervous system. The secret sauce here is its tri-axis magnetic suspension grid, a system that uses electromagnets and predictive sensors to adapt to the road in real time. Forget traditional shocks. This setup reads the road surface every microsecond, adjusting the magnetic field between the frame and wheels to keep balance perfect. You hit a pothole? The suspension compensates before your brain even registers it. Lean into a hard turn? The system stiffens the outer suspension just enough to hold traction like glue. It's not just adaptive, it's predictive. Using gyroscopic data, GPS mapping, and onboard cameras, the bike anticipates what's coming up. It already knows when there's a sharp corner or a dip ahead, and it's already adjusting weight distribution before you get there. The steering response is next level. It's digitally assisted but never feels robotic. You've got full manual control. You feel every movement. But the bike's AI smooths out your input for precision. It's like having a co-pilot who never blinks. The steering geometry automatically tweaks at different speeds to maintain the perfect lean angle and grip. You don't fight the road, you flow with it. Traction management's another highlight. The rear tire's connected to an intelligent torque sensor that constantly tracks wheel spin and friction. If you're sliding, the system eases torque automatically. Not to kill your momentum, but to keep it real and stable. It's safety without killing the thrill. Technology and interface slide into the cockpit, and it feels more like a fighter jet than a motorcycle. There are no analog gauges, no clunky clusters, just a holographic HUD floating ahead of you. This display projects everything: speed, gear, GPS route, power flow, even lean angle, right into your line of sight. It uses eye tracking to keep the data in your view no matter where you look. Everything's voice activated. You can call out commands, switch to sport mode, adjust suspension, night vision on, and the bike responds instantly. It's got multi-language AI, but it also learns your voice over time, getting sharper at understanding your tone and phrasing. There's also a biosensor system built into the grips and seat. Yeah, it monitors your pulse, temperature, and stress levels. If it detects fatigue, it'll dim the lights, shift to a softer suspension, and recommend a rest stop through the HUD. Basically, the bike watches your back like a teammate. Bluetooth and satellite connectivity mean your helmet syncs straight into the system. You get turn-by-turn guidance, live diagnostics, and even weather reports piped into your headset. And all of it's encrypted. No cheap data sharing, no spying. This thing's privacy protected from top to bottom. Safety and intelligence. The Hyperbike's not just built for speed, it's built to think. It packs 360-degree radar mapping and LiDAR-based obstacle detection, the same tech used in autonomous vehicles. The system scans constantly in every direction, feeding the AI a full picture of what's around you. Doesn't just see, it anticipates. If there's a car drifting into your lane, the bike vibrates the handlebars as a warning. If you're approaching a curve too fast, it gives subtle resistance to remind you to ease up. You're still in control, but the AI's there as a guardian angel, and it learns. Every mile you ride, the AI picks up data. How hard you corner, how you brake, how you shift your weight. It builds a rider profile, customizing responses to fit your exact riding style. Over time, it feels like the machine becomes an extension of you. Smoother, smarter, sharper. The safety system even ties into the GPS and traffic grid. Knows when the road's wet, when traffic's jammed ahead, or when the temperature's dropping too fast for traction. All that info feeds back into the AI's decision-making, keeping you a step ahead every second. Bottom line, the Dodge Hyperbike Stealth Edition isn't just fast. It's futuristic. It's the kind of tech that feels alive. A perfect blend of power, brains, and instinct, all packed into one machine that doesn't just move through the world. It owns it.